Okay. What's up, guys? Me, Richie, with Natalie, Sierra. Hi. And walking. With my dad. Hi, Dad. Say hi.
What's up, son?
My sister and Princess. And we were walking around, and that's just downtown Long Beach.
Like almost like Naples.
Like
Belmont Shore, Naples.
like Belmont Shore in April. I mean, in Long Beach, downtown, whatever. And we're seeing nice fancy cars. Come this way. There's a Ferrari over there.
Esa pelota está la bandera allá, ¿viste? En casa le querés pegar. Estaba Carlito Rodríguez.
It's cool. Here, give her. Oh, I want to run. Come on. Oh. Let's go. Look at this Porsche. Look at this nice Porsche. Oh, it's dirty. Nice Ferrari. This is yours?
Yeah.
All of these? This one? It's nice.
Okay, we walk.
Okay.
Oh,
Happy.
huh? Yeah, it's ready.
Huh?
It's ready.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the
It's
picture.
recording.
Oh, it's recording. Then you take the video for your brother. Here, your brother?
Yeah. Can I go on the other side?
No, this side. One at a time, okay? One at a time. But you gotta look this way.
Oh, Richie, there you go.
Let me see that camera. This is nice. Look at that.
You ever been on a Ferrari before?
No.
But
Sport.
don't tell your dad, okay? Don't tell your
Engine
dad.
start.
I don't care. Don't tell your dad.
Don't tell your dad, okay?
Dang, it's a nice Ferrari.
Happy, my turn.
What's next?
Thank you.
One at a time.
Thank you.
My turn. Yes,
Now you don't have camera?
I'm too big.
Have you ever been in a Ferrari?
Huh?
What's the ticket one of these?
Nana, you're in a Ferrari, bro.
Oh, bro. Take it.
Ferrari.
This one's faster than that one. Huh?
Say that.
This one's faster than that one? Yeah, this is fast.
Daddy,
Very
can
fast.
we? Daddy, can we
Have-
take our home?
Just go, Prince. You're in a Ferrari, girl.
Oh, it is.
Like 120, I can
It is free.
Look at this.
It's recording and taking pictures. I don't know what the heck happened.
It's your phone.
Yeah,
Quick, what kind of brake
it's
do you have?
recording.
Oh, and there was zero. Easier.
Say that. Say that.
My dad is too big.
Dang, this Ferrari's nice.
From here, guys.
How
there's
you
some
driving?
room so you guys can take the picture, they can see the car. I want my car on TV too.
Yeah,
you know?
back up.
Come right here, look. Come right here, take the picture.
I'll
You
put
can see your dad and your uncle, whatever he is, just
My dad.
yeah, there you go. I see too many kids for one man. Right? He's been working all his life. You have 2 jobs?
Hey, I just went inside this book and this Ferrari.
It feels comfortable.
This Lambo. Dad, this is a Aventador, huh?
Look at this back.
This right here? Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Yeah. And this right here, that's same
Which one's faster?
This is a Lamborghini.
Nana, it's an old school Corvette Stingray.
This is a Stingray.
Yep,
Why do they call it a Stingray?
that's what it is, an old school Porsche.
Yo.